Are you interested in game design or learning how to design your own game? Some of the most important parts of your game are the features, and that's what we're going to focus on in this video. For a feature to be developed and added to a game, a document covering all the information that artists, engineers, and other designers need to actually implement a desired feature must be developed by the game designer. So, let's learn about what a game feature is and what information is needed to fully create a feature for a game. So what are game features? They are any descriptive aspect of a game's design, art, audio, or technical capabilities. This also includes the game mechanics, which we'll talk about later. There are two main types of features in a video game. Features that change the player's ability, and features that change the obstacles a player must overcome. Examples of new features for the player include abilities, equipment, characters, and buildings. Examples of new obstacles for a player to overcome include opponents, environments, traps, and puzzles. Video games have many key features. I would like to highlight some of the most important key features. Gameplay, the way a player interacts with a video game, and is defined by the game's rules, challenges, and the player's connection to the game. Visuals, like progress bars, can help make games more fun and engaging and motivate players to achieve goals. Sound can make players feel like they're actually in the game world and can even create a sense of presence in virtual reality. Sound can also provide clues and feedback to players, such as clarifying what's happening or reinforcing the core theme of the game. Controls are the input devices that players use to interact with the game. They are a fundamental part of the gaming experience and need to work well to keep players engaged. Character design makes games more memorable and immersive and helps players feel invested in the story. A well-designed character also helps players relate to the game and generate emotions. And finally, concept art. Concept art sets the tone and style of the game and can communicate the game's vision to the development team. The best way to design a game feature is to develop it from the player's perspective. To make sure you create a fully developed feature, a feature design document should be completed for each feature in the game. The document includes the title and description of the feature, the objective of the feature described in just one sentence, all the details of the design, how it works, and how the player experiences it, any potential risks or concerns with the design or the feature itself, a summary of the feature in one paragraph or bullet points after the rest of the design is ready, and any relevant references for the design, including screenshots from other games with similar features or even gaming articles. Game mechanics are a set of related mechanics grouped into systems. The rules and systems that guide the player's actions, the inventory items available to the player, as well as the number and types of enemies in the game. Game mechanics also determine how other elements in the game respond to various actions. So, as T-Swift says, are you ready for it? It's time to start designing the features of your game. Oh, if you want a copy of the game feature document outlined in this video, check the description under this video for the link to make your own copy. Thank you for watching. This has been an EdTech Erudite production. Follow me on X at Dawson EdTech. See you next time.